The three suspects accused of throwing rocks at cars last week, killing one woman, are due in court in just about an hour.
Yeah, Alexa Bartell was killed when one of those landscaping rocks went through her windshield while she was driving. Joseph Koenig, Nicholas Korolchik, and Zachary Kwok were arrested Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Now, Kennedy Cook tells us the suspects are all high school seniors. According to the arrest affidavit just released minutes ago, the three suspects had been throwing objects, including a statue, at vehicles since last February. And in the incident last week, they went back and took a picture of the car after it was hit and went off the road.
All three suspects were 18-year-old high school seniors from Arvada. Now, they all went to different high schools. One went to Stadley Lake in Westminster, another online, and another at Ralston Valley High School. Joseph Koenig, Nicholas Korolchik, and Zachary Kwok are accused of throwing landscaping rocks at cars last week. One rock went through Alexa Bartell's windshield, killing her. Investigators say the suspects were driving a black 2016 Chevy Silverado. Now, right now, they aren't sure which of the three were behind the wheel, but CBS Colorado did speak with people who say they know the suspects.
And as a mom, to hear of somebody's child that is kind of catastrophically and unexpectedly injured in that way and taken so abruptly, and then having it linked to somebody that is in your general neighborhood, in your school, it's heartbreaking. So unfortunately, it wasn't a shock when we found out that Joe was one of the people accused of this incident. There had been discussions and concerns in the neighborhood for actions that he had taken in his past.
Now, each of the three teens are now charged with first-degree murder with extreme indifference. In Jeffco, I'm Kennedy Cook covering Colorado First.
Investigators used cell sites to find the suspects. They sought warrants from cell phone companies called geofencing warrants or reverse warrants. The idea is that any phones at more than one spot regarding the incidents may be the phones of potential suspects. But there have been questions about security and unreasonable searches.
These type of broad geofencing warrants that are asking for large areas without being able to really particularize where, specifically they're looking, those are the ones that are getting struck down.
In this case, investigators had not only specific locations, but times in remote areas. And that, says Steinhauser, means the courts are more likely to allow it as evidence if the case goes to trial.